Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. But before we start the podcast, let's introduce ourselves first. My name is Salsabila. You can call me Salsa. And of course, I'm not alone here. I'm with three other friends. We have Suci Fitria here, and the next one is Anti Fabriani, and the last one is Aura Agisti. Hello Suci.
Hello, my name is Suci. You can call me Suci.
Okay, well, anyway, what are you going to talk about in this podcast, Suci?
We are going to talk about hobby, interest, and talent. I'm very sure that everyone has hobby, interest, and talent. So I'm gonna asking you, Salsa, what is your hobby, interest, and talent, Salsa?
Okay, thank you for asking me. Well, first thing first is about hobby. Well, my hobby is listen to music because when I listen to music, I can get the pleasure of cheerfulness and can express my feeling through the song. And the second thing is about interest. Well, I'm really interested with movie. I love to watch movie because I can learn something new from it like language and maybe about cinematography. And literally, I interest with Q-drama. One of them, namely, is business proposal. And the last thing is talent. Well, my talent is singing because when I listen to music, I often to follow and read the lyric of the song. From there, I can make a little sound, and people around me also enjoy it. So, what about you, Suchi? What is your hobby, interest, and talent?
Okay, thanks for asking me. It turns out that we have the same hobbies and talents. My hobbies are listening music, watching Korean dramas, karaoke, and watching comedy show on television. Because with all those hobbies, I feel like I'm being myself, and all the burdens I experience are gone if I do my hobbies. Then my interest was in the arts, whether it was playing traditional and modern musical instrument, as well as singing, such as pop, Korean, Western, local, and religious. But I'm more interested in pop and Korean singing. And lastly, my talent is the same as salsa, namely singing. Singing is hobby as well as a talent that I have. With this talent of mine, I have won several competitions and regular performance. Singing can also relieve my stress of the tasks that keep coming to me. Maybe it's my hobby, interest, and talent. So, what about you, Auntie? What is your hobby, interest, and talent?
Okay, thank you, Suchi, for asking me. Here, my hobby is singing and traveling because with all that, I can feel happy. The mind feel calm, and uh, my my interest is listening music because music can calm the mind. And for my talent, I don't think there's really anything I can do, but maybe I can sing a little, even though my voice is just right. And that also possible because my hobby is singing. Mm, I think that. How about you, Aura?
Okay, thank you, Auntie, for the ask me. My hobby is watching film and watching Korean drama, and my interest in literacy and book, like reading book or novel and fiction or some biography, and my talents writing and editing. That's just enough.
Okay,
host.
Okay, thank you. Enough here for our podcast today. See you guys.
See you.
Okay, see you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.